Hi there, I'm Rhonda, and I help makers turn their digital designs into income. On my channel, you'll get quick tutorials, cool tools, and simple strategies to grow your digital product business. If you want daily AI prompts, trend tips, and a fun community that gets it, join us in our AI Profit Society. I left a link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss a thing. And now, without any further delay, let's get into today's video. Hey guys, it's Rhonda, and I wanted to show you a really cool little feature inside of Artistly here. All right. I am on my created design and I'm going to go into Fast AI Image Designer. And inside of there, I'm going to click on AI Design Assistance. And there's a little feature here called Sketch to 3D Render. Click on that. And what this will do is you can take an image that you've drawn. It doesn't matter what it looks like. Let me show you what I'm going to use. You see this bow here? That is a horrible drawing. I drew that with a Sharpie marker on a piece of paper, took a picture of it with my phone. You can see all these shadows and everything. And I am going to upload that to Artistly, and it's going to turn it into a very nice design. So now that this is uploaded, I am going to tell this, it says convert this sketch to, and I'm going to type in here a faux knitted yarn design. Make the bow pink, and the background should be clean, plain white. That's all I'm going to tell it. And I'm going to hit generate. And we're going to give this a minute to generate the design. Okay, and here is our design. Look at this. That made an adorable knitted bow. Now I'm going to take this and I am simply going to drag it right over here into Canva where I have my artboard already set up. Now, first thing I'm going to do is edit. I'm going to scroll down here to the bottom, hit upscale. Let's go back. I'm going to do 4 times and upscale this. Now, it told me it was already high resolution, but it's not. It's not. But that's okay. And we're going to hit replace. So it's going to put the upscaled version in here. Alrighty, and now I'm going to change the background color of my artboard because I am going to remove the background now and I want to make sure that it does a good job. So I always like to change the background and that looks great. So I'm going to make this as big as my artboard, just like that. And now all there is left to do is download this. Going to download transparent background, and I had my artboard set at 1600 by 1600. So now I'm going to up that all the way, and now it's going to give me my 5000 by 5000 design size that I wanted. And I'm going to click download, and it'll take just a second, and I'm going to overwrite this pink bow that I already had there. And now let me show you just how quickly we can put this on a shirt. So there is my smart object placeholder. I'm going to drag that bow right in here and drop it in place. And it is sized for my mockup. I'm going to hit save. And bam, there's the design on a shirt. Just that quickly, I have my design completely ready to go. If I open this image, let me grab it. My mouse is acting funny, sorry. Let me bring that over and drag it in here so it opens in its own window. Okay, we see this. Let's come up here to image, image size. It's 5000 by 5000, 300 pixels per inch. Exactly what we want for a sublimation design, direct to garment printing, direct to film printing. anything like that. Any printable PNG you're selling, you want it to be 300 pixels per inch, and that is exactly what it is. And I was able to do that because I know I want my designs to be 5,000 by 5,000. And if I make it 1,600 by 1,600 in here in Canva, when I download it, I can slide the scale all the way up to the top, and that makes it 5,000 by 5,000. And when you do that, it is actually 300 DPI when you download. Crazy, right? What a sneaky way to get it out of Canva, to get a 300 DPI download out of Canva. Anyway, though, that's not what we're talking about today. It was really this sketch to image generator inside of Artistly. So if you haven't tried out this tool yet, go for it. What do you have to lose? I mean, you can draw anything and have it convert it to a design. And you're using your own artwork that way. You know, you're getting something um, that is you. So have fun with it. Try it out. If you do try it out, let me know how it worked for you. Did you have fun with it? Did it turn your horrible little stick figure into a great design or what? So if you guys have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. And be sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.